Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create personalized Notion covers for your workspace. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to feel a little more like your own, maybe a bit more inspiring, a bit more you, this is going to be super useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly customize the look of any Notion page, using all the built-in options and a few thoughtful tips to help your workspace stand out. All right, let's jump in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Notion workspace. You'll see your page, and up at the very top, there's a header section. This is your canvas for visual customization. It's kind of like the book cover for your page. If you're working with a brand new page, you might not see a cover image yet, and that's totally fine. We're going to add one together. Find the spot at the top of your page labeled Add Cover. It should appear as a button or a prompt just above your title. Click right there. Notion immediately gives you a default cover. Don't worry if it's not your style, because changing it is super easy. Now, just underneath that cover image, you'll see an option to change cover. Click on that, and here, where the fun starts. Notion gives you a whole range of options for cover images right out of the box. You can scroll through the gallery of pre-made images, which include everything from city landscapes and tranquil nature scenes to abstract and colorful patterns. Take your time browsing through these. Imagine your workspace as a reflection of your mood, your personality, even your goals. Maybe you want a peaceful mountain scene for your journaling page, or a bold pop of color for a project tracker, whatever feels right for the purpose of that page. If you find something that catches your eye, just click on it, and Notion will automatically update your cover. It might take a split second to load, but don't worry, that's normal. If you're not sure which cover you want, think about what motivates you when you're working. A calming image can make your workspace feel more inviting, while bright, energetic colors might help you feel pumped up and productive. Now, if you want to take it a step further, Notion lets you upload your own images too. Maybe you have a favorite photo, a custom graphic, or something that represents your personal brand. Just click on the Upload tab instead of Gallery and select your image file. Again, don't stress if the file is large. Notion will handle resizing it for you automatically. Images you upload will stay in your workspace unless you choose to change them later, so you can create a truly unique look. Once you've selected or uploaded your cover, you can even reposition it by clicking Reposition. Drag it up or down until you're happy with the focus. Maybe you want your favorite part front and center, just like placing a frame around your best artwork. Take a moment to preview how everything looks. Remember, the goal is to make your page look inviting and visually motivating for you. And that's it, your Notion page now has a personalized cover. Every time you open this workspace, you'll see your chosen image ready to give you that boost of inspiration. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have questions or want to share what kind of covers you're using in your Notion workspace. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.